Hello and welcome back to this OpenAI GPT-3 Crash course. And so in today's video, we're just going to talk about the basics. So if you haven't done this already, just type in OpenAI in Google and press it. It's going to bring you to openai.com. And when you open it, it's taking you here. This is what it's going to look like. But all you really need to care about is the API. The other things, the research, the blog, and the about are just information. API is where you want to go, so press that. And the next page looks like this. And what you want to now do is go sign up if you haven't already signed up. So you create an account. You can create it with your Google account. And then the first place you're going to see when you get in is this page here. And all these colored boxes are just part of the documentation. They're just links to the documentation. So you don't want to go there. What you want to do is you want to go to the playground up here. So go there. And it looks like this. And so this is where you type in text, and at the bottom, the green button there that says generate. You're going to press that, and you're going to be able to talk with GPT-3. But what you need to do first is just press this upgrade button, and that's going to take you to this page. And you can explore all these things, but what you want to go is you want to go here to the usage tab. In the usage tab, when you first sign up, you're going to get $18 for free just to play with it. And I've used them all up myself already, so I have to put my credit card in there. So I go back here and I press set up payment account. It's going to ask me if I'm an individual or if I am working on behalf of the company. So I am an individual. So I press that. And then here's where I can input my credit card. And it says anywhere from 0.0008 to 0.06 per 1,000 tokens. And so let's just talk about the pay structure here. So there are 4 engines, and each of them are a different price. DaVinci, which is at the extreme right here, is the most expensive, and it's also the most powerful. And so prices are per 1,000 tokens, and you can think of a token as pieces of words, where 1,000 tokens is about 750 words. So DaVinci is at 6 cents per 750 words. Curry is 0.006 cents, so not even a penny for 750 words. Babbage, 0.0012, and ADA is the cheapest with 3 zeros and an 8. That's what it costs for 750 words. Can be pretty cheap, I guess, depending on how you look at it, but obviously ADA is the fastest and DaVinci is the most powerful. And so the DaVinci model is the most capable in the base series, and we will talk about what that is. It can perform any task the other base models can, often with less context. So its strengths are complex intent, cause and effect, creative generation, search, summarization for audience. And so DaVinci is the best one. And what they're talking about, the base series, they're talking about the different engines. So the OpenAI API is powered by a family of models with different capabilities and price points. Engines describe and provide access to these models. You can also customize the models for your specific use case with fine tuning, and we will talk about that in future videos. And so the base series is a set of GPT-3 models that can understand and generate natural language. We have the Instruct series. That's a set of specialized models that are similar to the base series, but better at following your instructions. And so that's in beta. The Codex series is models that can understand and generate code, which is really great. And then there's a content filter. And so the base series is the models that can understand and generate natural language. There's 4 models, as we've said, DaVinci, Curry, Babbage, and ADA, with different levels, and we have discussed that. And so Curry is very capable, but faster and lower cost than DaVinci. It can do language translation, complex classification, sentiment analysis and summarization. Babbage, it's capable of straightforward tasks, very fast and low cost, moderate classifications, and semantic search. And then ADA. ADA is capable of simple tasks, usually the fastest model in the base series and the lowest cost. It can parse text, simple classifications, address corrections, and keywords. And so that's all we're going to talk about in this video. Stay tuned for the next video where we're going to dive more deeply into this. If you haven't already signed up, you can do that. Please like and subscribe this video if you like this series, so let me know you're out there so I can keep making them. We're going to get really into the minutia of this platform.